So someone contacted us about a box stacking process that they would like to automate. They were thinking about a robot palletizer, but they have no clue if it makes any financial sense. So I go to qviro.ai and then I get a few options. I would like to know how much the project will cost. I get a bunch of follow-up questions, but I don't feel like typing it. So what I do is I upload a picture that I got from the person. I give a little bit of extra information, like for example, it is a Euro pallet and the boxes weigh 6 kilograms. Then let's see what it can come up with. All right, so it's suggesting a robot arm like the UR10E, a gripper, including some safety equipment, including integration, including even a conveyor system, and it estimates it at 75,000 euros with a payback time of 1.25 years, which is of course based on not so much information I gave. So I can also fine tune this solution if I want to, but I suggest you just take a picture in your factory and also upload it on qviro.ai and see what it can come up with.